Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Hoang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Do you want your Instagram Reels to post automatically, even when you're offline? Let me show you how the Auto Post Reels function of MKT Insta can make it happen. Normally, posting Reels means you need to be online all the time. It's time-consuming, and if you forget, your growth slows down. Consistency is the key, but posting manually every day is not realistic. With MKT Insta Auto Post Reels, you can schedule your Reels in advance. Upload once, set the time, and the software will automatically publish your Reels for you day and night. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your Reel video into MKT Insta. Step 2. Add your caption, hashtags, and emojis. Step 3. Choose the exact time and date you want to post. Click Start, and MKT Insta will automatically publish your Reel on Instagram. See? My Reel is live exactly on schedule. I didn't even have to touch my phone. That's the power of automation. With Auto Post Reels, you will save hours of manual posting, stay consistent without stress, boost engagement with regular uploads, and grow your followers automatically. So if you want to grow faster on Instagram, stay consistent, and let automation work for you, try MKT Insta Auto Post Reels today. Stop losing sales because you can't post consistently. Let Auto Post Reels on Instagram do the work for you. Try it today and see how easy it is to boost your engagement, save time, and grow your audience automatically. If you want your Instagram posts to look active, publish nonstop, and skyrocket engagement, then try MKT Insta Auto Post today. Click the link below in the description for a demo or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp and see how powerful it is. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.